Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 38. In a brooder house, which of the following factors is monitored with the use of wet and dry hygrometer? A. Rainfall, B. Temperature, C. Relative humidity, D. Atmospheric pressure. So, we're asked what do you monitor with the use of wet and dry hygrometers? Now, option A says rainfall. Now, rainfall is usually measured in general using a rain gauge. Temperature is measured using a thermometer. Relative humidity is measured using hygrometer, okay, either wet or dry. And then atmospheric pressure is usually measured using barometers, okay. So from what we've established here, what you measure with wet and dry hygrometer is C, relative humidity. So option C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.